Hello everyone, Hamel here, just walking through my holdings in Goldman Sachs here. So just wanted to cover this, so it will serve as a trade analysis for me, and then what steps I have taken, and we'll see how this reports earnings tomorrow morning, and then I'll have to make a decision on what future looks like for this holding. So I entered this stock on September 4th, and I've been in it since. No stop. This is a longer term position. So right now I'm only up like 0.5%. Again, this reports tomorrow morning. Whenever I'm making my videos, the orange line is my cost basis right there. Let's look at the weekly chart and see what we see here. So it is forming a consolidation base here. So we will see if tomorrow earnings is good and market reacts positively. If it breaks through this resistance line right there, then it may at least go and touch the pivot, and then we'll have to see if it breaks through pivot. Then we may have further gains in this stock. Now, this is an investment management services. So investment banks have been doing pretty good compared to the traditional banks in recent times because of the COVID situation. Good institutional sponsorship broadening, so more institutions are putting their money in this stock. We look here. These are the things I normally look for every stock. EPS growth of 7% over the last 5 years. It's not that great, but it's okay. 13% earnings stability, so which is okay. Next year, earnings are supposed to grow by 55%, much more higher than the average growth. That's what I looked at when I made my decision to invest in this stock. So quarter over the prior quarter, 52% increase, which is really good. When it reported its earnings in June, and then the sales were 9% increase this quarter over last year's quarter when they reported earnings last time. So these are the things I normally look at. Now, this is also important. As I move forward, I'll be looking at this before I put my money to work. So as we can see, the relative strength line is in downtrend. So it is moving down, which is not a good thing. Okay, so this is on this downward slope here. You would like to see it going up. Okay, those are the stocks we want to participate in. Now, the relative strength is 43. If you look at Spiders, which tracks S&P 500, it's at 68. So I am not really sure why I'm investing or why I invested money in Goldman Sachs. So I'll definitely be paying attention going forward, because if I'm going to take my money out of an index fund, I want the stock to be performing better than the index fund, not worse. In this case, it is performing worse than Spiders. So it is outperforming 43% of the stocks in the MarketSmith database compared to Spiders, which is outperforming 68%. So that is definitely something I'll be paying attention to. A couple other things to look at here. So just going through some data on E-Trade here. So the average price target by analyst is $250, and the high end is 326, low end is 200. I just look at these numbers. I don't really pay too much attention to it. Earnings, as we already looked here, it's supposed to grow 55%, and then revenue. So this is not. I don't really like to see that. So revenue is supposed to increase in 2020, and then it's going to go down in 2021. So this is definitely not something I would like to invest in. So I will have to review this position and make a decision, because I definitely want the revenue to be going up, not going down. So again, these are estimates which can change. However, this is concerning to me. So I will have to review, see how it reacts to earnings tomorrow, and I will have to make a decision if I want to continue to be invested in this stock. So again, that's all I have. So let's see what it does tomorrow morning, what kind of earnings it delivers, and what kind of market reaction happens to that earnings release. Have a great night. Again, just covering. So please do your own research before putting any money in any stocks I cover. I normally cover what I have my investments in. However, things can change very quickly. I can sell or buy things very quickly, and analysis can change every day. So have a great night or a great day whenever you're watching this. See you later. Take care.